Hey you guys, let's pack Daddy's lunch with an appreciation note. So tonight, y'all, I did not feel like cooking. I was just in one of the moods. I did not feel like cooking. So we had went to Publix, got some chicken tenders, got some fries for the kids, and got some Hawaiian rolls. So I'm just packing up him some chicken tenders and some Hawaiian rolls. He didn't want any fries or whatever. And then I'm going to also be packing him some tea. So while he's at work, he can, stay, what's the word? I don't know what I'm trying to say, y'all, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. Anyways, that's some agave, some African tea, and some lemon. And I did pack him some ginger. And that tumbler was from me. I made the tumbler. And then right here is when the kids started writing their notes to Daddy. I already have Romance on his to-go box. So that was Alasia writing her note. August writing his note. And then after that, Armani, there he goes, writing his part. And then lastly will be Alea writing her part. So, we were just saying, that we love you, Daddy. Have a good night at work. This and that. Just showing like our little appreciation. But anyways, pause that to read if you want. But I went ahead, folded it up, put it in his lunchbox, and then Daddy was off to work. Bye.